guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let me show you how to make this crispy plantain chips at home and also for business, okay? So you know what? Let's get started. So over here I have my plantains. I have neatly peeled, and I'll be adding some onions, okay? So over here I have preheated my oil, so I drop my onions for it to fry and then add more flavor to my plantain chips. So I sprinkle some little salt to taste, and then with my slicer I will be slicing or cutting my plantains. Guys, this is the simplest method and the outcome is great. You can see our plantains are very thin, and then it was so crispy and also fast or quick to cook. So we stir just like I'm doing here, gently, so we separate the plantains so they can be well cooked and fried perfectly to perfection. Guys, if you want to do plantain chips business, this is the recipe for you, okay? It's so simple to make, and it takes just about 3 minutes to fry, okay? And you are going to derive that crispy or crispy, which is which. Let me know in the comment section. Just look at that. Our plantain chips are ready, so we take it out from the oil and then allow it to cool down a bit. And guys, we are done. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come as the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified and be the first to watch and share to your friends and family, okay? Yeah, I want to thank all my returning viewers and my new viewers. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, so now we are done with our plantains. So we take the last batch out from the oil, and ta-da! Just look at this, guys. Making plantain chips at home is the simplest to make. Waakye, so crispy, and it was delicious. I can eat this all day, and I know you can also. Just follow this step-by-step recipe and make your own plantain chips at home and as business, okay? Yes, see ya guys in our next video. Bye bye.